All right, here we are at Woody Gap, and some exciting things are happening here. So Flipper was a Tramley member of Tara and Jonathan when they did their hike in 2019, and he came up here to do trail magic today. So it was such a nice opportunity to see him and spend time with him, and he brought lots of good snacks and stuff to eat. So excited. So we're gonna head up an uphill here. I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty steep, and then back down, and then we're at the Lance Creek campground, and hopefully we'll find a camp spot there. All right, all, bye. All right, we just left Preacher Rock, and we're in the Blood Mountain Wilderness, and we're walking along the ridge on our way down to Lance Creek. And that climb up to Preacher's Rock is no joke. It lulls you into a sense of security. The first part is very level. Well, I don't know if I'd call it level. It's gradual climb. And then all of a sudden, you get to it. It hits you right smack in the face, and it's boom, climbing a mountain. So, let me turn this around. Okay. So, the beautiful views up there. I will post the video and the pictures I took. So wonderful. I mentioned before that Tara and Jonathan's member of their Tramley, when they hiked in 2019, came out to do trail magic and brought a lot of different things for people to eat and put in their packs for down the road, and it was so nice. It was such a nice surprise. I didn't expect to see him. They do a lot of, well, I have in the past when Tara was doing her FKTs, and more specifically on the Benton McKay Trail. Him and I were her support crew, so we would meet her at different spots and give her anything that she needed: water, food, rest, anything that she needed. So I know Flipper fairly well. Tomorrow we climb Blood Mountain, and woo, that's gonna be a climb. That'll be a big sense of accomplishment too. So feeling good again today. You know, I have to make sure that I'm eating enough breakfast. This morning I didn't eat enough. I've learned that I don't like Pop-Tarts. Probably should have tried eating a Pop-Tart before I left for the trail, but I didn't. So, all right, talk to you later.